I'm going to get the bead for me. Do you have a mix of 2 or 3 millimeter beads for the balance? A mix of 2 or 3 millimeter beads. You want a string of beads mixed with 2 or 3 millimeter size, right? Let me check. Do you? Okay, 4.5. The machine. The machine stop. Thank you. Okay, dear blank queens, please type 4.5 again. Because the machine stopped before. So here, got it. Here, Shamia, here to show you how to setting the beads in. 他们是干嘛的？
说是你像是接到广州的，他那个留了电话。
他要干嘛？他问啥？
前面问我们这有没有营业执照？
营业执照我们肯定有的。Here. Here then we're going to repeat here first. This one, and we tight wrapper, and tight here. So this way is to setting the beads on. Wrapper. And here. Tight. So this is one of the way that's to setting the beads with the chain. It's like this. And cut. This is one way, and another way. Dear Shamia, you got it. That's use the wire to wrap the beads on. Is setting the beads with the chain. One of the way is wrap, and another way. Another way is here. I will need the wire pack. Okay, how much is that chain? The chain is 3.5. You can get 2 meter. 2 meter can make a 10-piece bracelet. Here, this. And we can put the beads on. This is another way. Need the wire pack. If you want the gold wire and the silver wire, one pack is 12.5. This with black, yes. If you want this chain, it's with black. Black 5.4 2 meter. 5.4 2 meter. Here. Here. And go This beads, the hole is a little bit small. Wait, I'm going to change another beads. Okay, so this is another way is to put the chain and the beads and pull the wire tight, setting the wire inside the chain. Okay. It's here. Yeah. So two different way you got. One is to wrap like this, two wire cross all in the beads. So in the beads, total 3 wire to inside the beads hole, 3 pieces of the wire. So it's strong. Both the way is strong, so you don't worry about it. Yeah, and you can cut the chain different longer. You want the short or you want longer to make a bracelet or necklace. Both no problem. Okay.